Hi guys, my name is Heather. I'm a hygienist here with GuruNanda, and I'm going to tell you guys what I personally use at home to help keep my night guard nice and clean. Now, this routine that I do for my night guard, it can be used for any appliance that goes into your mouth. So it can be used for dentures, flippers, retainers, or if you're going through a line of therapy, you can use this method. So what I do first is I shake off any food debris with this ultrasonic cleaner. I love this thing. If you guys didn't know, when you bring in your denture or your retainer into your hygienist to be cleaned, it goes into an ultrasonic cleaner. So this is one that you can use at home. So I don't even bring my night guard in to get cleaned anymore because it stays so clean. So it looks like this. This is here so you can easily pick up your night guard or a retainer. This pops off if you have a bigger appliance like a denture. And then there's a UV light here to keep everything nice and sanitary. So this really works through the vibration, that sonic vibration, and it's shaking off all of the bacteria that sit on the appliance. So you're not incorporating any new bacteria when you put the appliance back in. And then after it's done shaking, what I like to do is use this foam cleanser just to make sure that all the bacteria has been shaken off, killed. The peroxide in here will finish the job. So this is super easy to use. I just squirt a couple pumps on my night guard, let it sit for 5 minutes, rinse it off, and then it even tastes nice and good when I'm ready to put back in because this has a nice mild mint flavor. So those are my two must-haves for cleaning my night guard or retainer you can use it for. And then if you do see any debris that's not coming off, make sure you never use toothpaste on your appliance. You can use a mild antimicrobial soap like Dial, but never use toothpaste on your appliances. Okay, so that's it for today. Just a couple tips to keep your night guards, retainers nice and clean, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.